Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to explain how to add your students on tinkercad. So let's go to the website. Write down tinkercad.com. So here is the page. If you have an account, you just click on sign in. If you don't have an account, just click on join now and create your own account. In my case, I already have an account. Let's just go straight to the point. I have to write down my email address. Okay. Next, and then my password. Next, and then finally I'm here. Now you have, as you can see, there is classes. Here, as you can see, this is the classes I've made so far. This is the class name and the number of students in each class. Let's create new class by clicking on this icon, create new class. As you can see here, it's up to you what you want to name the classroom. For me, it's easier to have all the information related. So let's say 12F, which is the next class, the class name, and then I use this as a separator, and then the subject name again as a separator, teacher name, another separator, and then the school name. Okay, you just have to fill the gap here. The grades, so whether it's grade 11 or grade 12, you have to choose. Apparently it's 12 grade here. The subject, apparently it's creative design and innovation, so you have to click on design. Now create class, and that's it. Now you have a new class. So instead of asking the students to make their accounts, and they have to create the account, and then they have to memorize the password, and it will be a huge mess. So basically what you can do is you have to create for them an account and invite them here. How you can do this? It's very simple. Just click on the class here, this link, after you make your class, and then add students. Click on add students. So click here and then go to the students list, copy them, copy the list. Let's go there. So here are the names, the students' names. For me, it's really important to add me as a teacher in the class, so I can explain for the to my students from their perspective of view. So add students. Now the list of students is created and their nickname. So this nickname is very important because only by having this and the link, of course, for the class, every students can enter their account in tinkercad. So to make it easy on you and your students, it's easier to edit the nicknames and just make those numbers the year of their graduation. So they are in 12th grade, so basically the year of graduation is 2020. So just change all of the names to 2020. Of course, it will be a little bit difficult for you because you have to edit every single line, but trust me, it will make it easy for you in the class, because the students, you don't have to give the students each student's different number. It's just their first name, second name, and finally 2020 without space. Finally, you have to share the link with your students. Okay, how you can do that? Just click on class code. So here is login to the class name. As you can see, this is the code, or you could just give them directly the link, which is easier for you. Copy this, the student's instruction, copy this and share it with them. whether in the Microsoft team in the chat or in the home page in LMS. So I would really advise to make it both in the home page in LMS and again in the Microsoft team chat. So that's it. Thank you very much.